We add the video to the timeline. Above it, we place a white background. Even higher, we place the text. We enter the text, in this case, the letter S. We set the color to black. Adjust the size and font. Combine the background and the text into a compound clip. Duplicate it. Select the first one and go to Color. In the Color tab, go to the Curves and mirror the curve. Return to the Edit tab. Set the composite mode to Multiply. For the upper compound clip, set the composite mode to Screen. Shift it slightly to imitate volume. Add Gaussian blur, adjust it. Set the opacity to around 60 to 80. Duplicate our video onto the top track. Go to Color. Draw a mask around the head. Create alpha output. Connect our node to it. Return to Edit. Convert the upper video into a compound clip. Apply 3D keyer to it. In the lower left corner of the viewer, select Open FX Overlay. Remove the unnecessary background. Soften the edges. Done.